All right, so you've mastered the art of how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. But how do you peel the shells away without making a mess? Let's take a look at this video to show you how to peel the boiled eggs in less than 10 seconds. And then Nev and I are going to try to see if we can do it ourselves. Test the theory to see if it works. Let's have a look.
Hey you guys, it's Vijaya back with another video for you, and in this one I'm going to show you 3 ways to peel an egg in under 10 seconds. Number 1, the tap and roll. Gently tap your egg on the counter and give it a roll. It's all about being gentle. And then you just want to pry away the skin and it comes off really easily. There you go. Perfectly peeled hard-boiled egg. Number 2, the spoon method. Tap the widest part of the egg on the counter and peel off about a quarter size, the size of a quarter, like that. And then taking a small teaspoon, insert it under the shell and start rotating. The shell will start to crack. And you're under that membrane, which means you will have a perfectly hard-boiled egg peeled in seconds. Number 3, the abracadabra method. Oh. Now it's time to bring the magic on. Tap the base of your egg, removing about a quarter size so that you're revealing a bit of the white. Then tap the top of your egg, and you're going to remove a bit of the shell about the size of a dime. This is a great one to impress your friends with. Now bring the egg to your mouth like this and you're going to blow. Ready? And 3, 2, 1.
Which one you going to do? I'm going to do the tap and roll. How that go again? Go so?
Well, there enough eggs for us to do
No,
both.
but you wait no man.
I'm going to both try out of it.
Wait no.
Ready?
Tap and roll.
Wait no man.
We are move so fast, Sam.
As I tapped and rolled.
But I did too.
Ta-da! What was the other one? The other one was... Oh. Tap the biggest part of the egg. And take out part of it.
Hey,
By the way,
hey.
boiled egg is one of my favorite food into the world.
Favorite.
Did you know that?
Where's the next one now?
The spoon.
The spoon.
Yeah. I would eat 6 of them at one time, even though that's not correct. Because it's not good for you. All that cholesterol, as Jamaicans would say. Oh, simmer. Or as Never would say, summer.
Yep.
Oh, this is going to be the fun part. Make a egg space so. And then your fifi now work. What is hard? I don't know how to do that. But my egg mash up, so it's not gonna work for sure.
What is that?
This one don't boil so proper. Wait, no man, wait, don't laugh after me.
Hey, you've got lipstick all over the egg.
Wait, no.
What we do, all of them and all of them.
Ta-da!
Are perfect. We're gonna go for a break now? We're done?
Makeup.
Wait now.
Thank you.
Wait, no juggle some egg. I have a problem.
Let's not juggle. Good job.
That is another way to crack and roll. We just crack. Watch this now.
Can we get some salt and black
And we just
pepper?
eat everything.